In this tutorial video, we will be designing this part. So let's get started. First of all, select this file, click on New, select Part, click OK. This environment window will be opened. After that, select your front plane, click on Sketch option, then select this rectangle and make a rectangle like this. After that, select Smart Dimensions and make this line dimension as 42 millimeter and this line as 66 millimeter. After that, click OK. Okay, now select this features option, select this extruded boss base command and set this to 12 millimeter. We will extrude this component to 12 millimeter, and this is our 3D object after extrusion. Then select this chamfer option. Select this edge, this one, and set this dimension to 12 millimeter. After that, click OK. Now we have this shape after chamfer. Now select this face, click on sketch, and we will be making a corner rectangle. Make a corner rectangle here. Now go to smart dimension and set this line to 12 millimeter. Okay, now go to extruded boss again in features and extrude this up to 45 millimeter and then click OK. So we have this geometry now. Select fillet option. Select this edge, this opposite side edge. These are selected here. Now drag down a little bit and set this to 21 millimeter to give it a round shape. And you can see this round shape has been created using the fillet command. Now after that, we will select this plane, right plane. Click on sketch and select a line. Make a line here like this to this corner and then this corner. This is a triangular shape. Now go to smart dimension and set this line dimension as 42 millimeter and then click OK. Now go to features and extruded boss. Okay, we should select here mid plane option so that this profile can be extruded in both dimension like this, and set this dimension to 12 millimeter and click OK. So a triangular profile like this has been created now. Now let's assign some colors to this part. I am giving this part a yellow color. If you find this tutorial helpful, then please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.